Yeah, I actually watched the whole thing, man. Stay grouped, follow the cow.
I'm gaining experience from new areas. Very nice.
Softy's recording as well again.
We're going to the Abbey first?
We're going to the gates of Stormwind to kill all dueling people.
Okay.
Also, Softy, your Discord name gives me eye cancer, really.
Why?
Have you seen Softy's name in Discord? It's like all weird and just.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Alright, guys, get ready,
I
get
just
ready.
see 4 square and the no.
Get ready, guys. Wait a bit in front. Wait a bit in front. Let people regroup. Let people regroup. Alright, guys. Let's knock on that door.
They do have to engage us.
They might be stupid.
Dead.
Huh.
Guys, pose before Stormwind. I want a picture
Where
here.
are... Do they not duel these idiots?
There's no one dueling.
Apparently
Alliance?
not.
No one
Yeah.
duels.
Stormwind is empty, yeah.
Take a
Not
pose,
great.
Everyone has an
guys.
iron for.
Take a pose, take
Yeah,
a
I
pose.
think they're in yeah, take a pose. They're in Ironforge probably.
Pose,
Flash
guys.
pose doesn't work.
Flex. Flex it
I
up.
mean, there's still a guard, you know? Like, even a couple of guards. We have to
Flex
clean
it up,
Put
guys.
the totem. The totem will
Flex,
deal.
flex in
Hey.
3, 2, 1. Put up your flexes, put up your flexes.
I'm inside someone's mount.
Do you like it?
No, I wasn't on the screenshot.
Let's kill some guards and see who comes out.
No one, let's storm it.
Come on, we killed the Nixia. How hard can Varian be?
Are we actually moving in? Are we going Goldshire first?
Oh, fuck it, let's go in.
Let's go in, guys. Okay, let's do this shit.
What's the point of even going to Goldshire? It's not like we can actually kill anyone, you know? It's their zone.
Now everyone's talking, oh, this raid
I
is
Oh,
know.
that Warlock is PvP flag.
Warlock is
There's
PvP
no-
flagged. Kill that motherfucker.
Yay!
I hope they touch us.
Okay, guys, wait a bit.
This guy is
Don't go in too
Marcus.
far. Don't go in too far.
Marcus.
Let him come out.
Oh
Yeah, Marcus.
man. Oh, okay. I
Let
gotta start
Grodash
using
pick that out. Let Grodash pick it up. Don't go in too far.
This druid is targeting you, Zaki. Careful, yeah, he might just jump on you anytime. Zaki nods. In the middle of all this fight, I should see your head nodding.
It's funny how they have a general commander. He's an elite, level 62, but he still fights using his fist.
60s are gathering. Get ready, guys. There are
He's
gonna
used
be
to fisting.
way more people here than we are.
Moving slowly.
Nice shit.
Yeah, iron forge.
Guys, let's take a step back. Let's kill a Goldshire. They're gonna follow us anyway. So
Aw, come on, we're losing our momentum.
Yeah,
they're coming. They're coming. Yeah, let him tag.
we
They're
knew
gonna
it
come
was
anyway.
a suicide mission anyway. So might as well do something, you know.
We
bold.
can clear Goldshire and then we can come back here and die. Let's clear Goldshire first, guys. Guys, get back. Don't die there for nothing.
Can we like send in one as a bait?
Penny is baiting. Penny's baiting.
Come on.
Penny's baiting.
Don't
Penny's
slip
baiting.
behind.
Hey, don't stay behind.
Alright.
guys.
Rush to Goldshire, clear it, and then we're gonna die here in a suicide
They are
mission.
attacking Penny? Oh,
Yeah.
oh no,
level
never
30.
mind. It was a level 30 hunter.
Let's get to Goldshire, guys. Move up.
Come on, Penny, don't get baited.
Kill their auctioneers.
Are the auctioneers actually elites or not?
Not.
I don't
Like
think
the
so.
ones in
Softy.
Orchestra are behind the counter, no?
Come on,
Not
don't
all
get
of them.
baited.
I think you could get in there though.
Guys,
Could kill the bankers, right?
Softy, Smack, Killamok, let's get out. Let's clear Goldshire. And then we're coming back to die. Let's not die yet. The night is still very young.
Man, I have real life friends who have a guild on Alliance in Mogre. Like 10 of them. I should tell them to meet us.
Alright, let's clear this place. You can always invite them, just don't tell them we're friendly.
No, they're on Alliance.
Alright, let's clear the inn. Let's get inside the inn, guys. Clear this place.
I'm gonna check if they're online 1 second.
Dieter, it's exactly the same macro I made last time.
Well, it's hard not to.
Look at this guy who's just casually making bolts here.
Epic.
He says boar and cat.
I'm pretty sure Alliance will follow now.
Let's go to the main target already.
Did we clear everything here? We fucked up their questing for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
far easier than we were doing this last time.
mage coming in.
There's a
PvP
mage.
tagged. Do we have swift mounts?
Get him. I got him.
Yeah, okay. Stop it, man. Frost chug that bitch. Yeah, we got him, guys. We got him, guys.
Get on it.
We got him. He's dead. It's a matter of time, but he's dead.
And he falls!
That's one dead mage, man. It makes me so happy it's a gnome.
Eat him.
Yeah. Ultimate disrespect.
We separated again.
Cannibalize.
Everyone to Stormwind.
Yeah, guys, to Stormwind, guys. Mount up. There's left in Goldshire. Wait on the doors, guys, and then we're gonna rush in. Group up, and we're gonna rush in. Group up, stay mounted. Yeah. YOLO rush and kill auctioneers, but wait till everyone's here. We got like 3 people left in Goldshire. We're gonna need everyone for this.
Guards respawning.
Clear a bit.
Unfortunate.
Alright, guys, buff up. Buff up.
We don't have everyone yet.
Buff up. There's 2 people on the way. Killamok and Akil.
Yeah, we
It's-
got caught up dancing with some gnomes.
Alright, people. We all know where the auction house is. We're gonna kill the auctioneers. And most likely die.
Okay, everyone here.
Alright, guys. We're going. In 3. Mount up. 2. Mount up, guys. Get on your mounts. 1.
There's some PvP flagged up in front of us.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Time to eat the lions.
Run!
Oh, we
There's
can
one brave gnome.
we can actually
Keep
see
mounted,
what
guys. Stay
people-
mounted. Stay mounted. Follow Gredash. Stay
Oh
mounted.
shit!
Follow
There's,
Gredash.
We're under attack.
Ow.
Yeah, we
Stay
are
mounted.
losing some people
Stay
due to
mounted.
days.
Stay mounted.
You're gonna have to AoE the fuck out of them. AoE at the auction door.
Auction door. We're going into the auction house, guys. We're going in. Get in, guys.
No,
And
this is
over
going
the
to be
door.
chaotic.
AoE. AoE the auction house, guys.
Oh my god.
AoE, guys.
Auctioneer's dead.
Auctioneer's dead.
Holy fuck. I'm lacking so much.
Fucking mayhem.
This is epic.
Keep killing stuff, guys. We're all in. This is so much better than I expected.
Mana
There's
break, maybe?
Wait, no one died.
No one died, guys.
Drinking mana.
Drinking in the auction house.
A pet died, a pet died.
Guys, all dance, please. All dance. I need a screenshot of us dancing in the auction house. Dance mode, guys.
We're under attack though.
Doesn't matter. Just keep dancing.
And the guys outside are pretty aggressive.
We just kinda took the auction house, people.
They're just taking screenshots.
Dance it up, people.